Snook from Santa. Oh, Snook. Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome.
Did you wrap this?
Oh, I don't know.
He's very professional.
Good, huh?
Yeah. Chocolates. Para la fiesta.
Dang, babe, you wrapped this.
Make sure I got it good.
And another box. Is there anything in there?
No.
To my one and only true love, I just wanted to tell you that you are the most amazing woman I have ever met. You're the reason that I laugh, smile, breathe, and get up in the morning. Without you, none of these things would be possible. And that is why I would like to devote the rest of my life to you. Look at me and say,
Will you marry? It's gotta get resized. You gotta take it in.
why?
Because they're all like the same size.
Babe,
Unless it fits. But,
Babe.
no.
babe.
Wow, you have a big throat.
I'm
You
shaking.
see?
Wow.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh my
I'm in
god.
shock.
That's huge.
Let me see.